In this video, I'm going to show you how to rake in hundreds of dollars a day with CPA marketing. And I'm going to show you how to do this even as a complete beginner. And if you're new to this channel, I make videos about how to earn money online. And if you like that type of content, then make sure to look around the channel. You will definitely find other interesting videos. Everyone has pretty much heard about the Threads app that is competing with Twitter. And now this is a huge opportunity for CPA marketers to cash in on this new app and start making money. All right, so I'm going to show you how to use Threads app to make money in passive income with CPA marketing. So the first thing you want to do is to create an Instagram account. I recommend you download the Instagram app to create an account. So once you create your Instagram account, it's going to look like this. And all you need to do is to make sure to optimize your Instagram account. As you can see, I am taking the affirmation niche as an example. And keep in mind, this is not my main niche. I am just taking this as an example. So you want to make sure to add a logo that resonates with the niche. And also you want to type in a very short description like this in your bio. As you can see right here, follow for money affirmations to manifest abundance into your life. So once you do this, the next step is to go over to threads.net. So once you come over to this page, as you can see, you will be able to download and install the Threads app on your device. All right, it only works on mobile device right now. As you can see right here, it's available on iOS and Android. So once you install the app to your device, all you need to do from here is to go back to your Instagram account. And if you click on this three button, you are going to see a section where it says Threads. So you want to click on that. So once you do that, as you can see right here, you want to click on where it says Get Threads. So once you click on Get Threads, as you can see right here, all you need to do is to click on your Instagram account. So once you come over to this page, here you want to click on Import from Instagram. So once you click on this, as you can see, it's going to bring your bio and your link. And don't worry, for the link, we are going to come back to add our link. So here you want to click on Continue. And once you do that, you want to also make sure you set your profile to public and you want to click on Continue. So once you do that, all you need to do from here is to click on this next button. So now you want to then click on Join Threads. So once you do this, all you need to do is to come over to your profile. So once you do that, the next step is to add some content to your Threads app. And to do that, all you need to do is to head over to Google and you can type in keywords like top 5 money affirmations. This depends on whatever niche you're working with. If you are working with the weight loss niche, then you want to type in top 5 weight loss tips. So all you need to do is to basically type in this in your app. So once you add all the affirmations like this, all you need to do from here is to then click on Post. Okay, so once you click on Post, this is going to make your page look as legit as possible, as people are going to see your page as being active. All right, so the next step now is to basically go over to similar pages, and all you need to do is to come over to the search section. So the next step now is to basically go over to similar pages, and all you need to do is to come over to the search section. You are going to look for pages in your niche. So for me, since I'm using the affirmation niche, all I just need to do is to type in affirmation right here. So once you type in affirmation, you are going to see a lot of pages that make content in that niche. So all you need to do is to click on the page and you want to come over to the profile section. You can see people are making content already and people are getting likes. You can see this person is already promoting something in their bio. But like I said, we are going to come back to that later. So all you need to do is to come over to the followers of this account and you want to follow these followers. And currently you can follow about 300 people a day. So you want to do this for 3 days and follow at least 300 people every single day. And if you do this, you are definitely going to get a lot of followers. And this is because this is currently a new app and the follow back ratio is quite high. So once you do this, so you want to come back to your Cpagrip account, or you can use any CPA network of your choice. So once you come over here, you want to select any template right here. And I'm going to take this template as an example. And once you do this, you want to come over to the general tab and now you want to give this a name. We're going to call this affirmation. All right, so once you do this, then the next step, now we are going to need content that will be looking right here. And all you need to do is to go over to this website called Free PLR Download. As you can see, you can download this ebook for absolutely free and give it away without having any copyright issues. So all you need to do from here is to come over here and you want to look for the niche you're working with. As you can see, since I'm working with the affirmation niche, all I need to do is to click on this affirmation. So once I do this, as you can see right here, I can download this guide. So you want to click on the download button, and while that is downloading, you want to head over to Mediafire, and all you need to do from here is to upload this guide right here. So once you upload the guide, all you need to do is to grab the download link, as you can see right here. So once you click on this link, you want to go back to your account and you want to paste in the link right here. You can leave everything as default like this. However, if you want them to complete more than one CPA offer, all you need to do is to go over to the advanced section and you can select as many offers as you want them to complete. Okay, so this is up to you. Once you're done creating your locker, all you need to do is to click on save. So once you do that, you want to grab your content locker link and you want to open it in a new tab. So once you do that, you are going to see people will be shown CPA offers, and once they complete this offer, they will be redirected to download this ebook. So once your link is working properly, all you need to do is to head over to tinyurl.com to shorten your link. So once you shorten the link, then you want to go over to your Threads app and you want to click on link, and here you want to type in the link right here. All right, so once you type in the link like this, all you need to do is to click on this button, and now as you can see, the link is added right here. Then you want to go back to the bio and you want to type in grab my affirmation ebook for free. So once you do this, all you need to do is to click on done. All right, as you can see right here, once people come over to your profile, as you can see, grab my affirmation ebook for free. So once people come over here, they will be able to click on this link, and once they click on this link, they will be taken to your content locker page. So now after 3 days, keep in mind, like I said, you want to follow people in this niche for 3 days. So after following 300 people per day for 3 days, definitely you would have at least 200 to 300 followers by now on your account. So the 4th day, so you want to make a very simple post like this: get my money affirmation guide for free. I generally provide this to my clients who want to manifest abundance into their lives. This is free for today. Click link in bio. So once you make very simple posts like this, people who are already following your account, they will get this post on their feed. And once they see this post and go to your bio and they click on the link, they will be taken to the CPA offer. And once they complete your offer, you make money. And keep in mind, once people start liking this post and sharing it because you are giving it to them for free, you are going to definitely get a viral effect, because more people who are interested in this niche are also going to see this post as well. So now I'm going to show you an example of someone who is doing this strategy on Twitter. So you can replicate this strategy on Twitter as well. And if I go over to the comments, you can see people are commenting diet right here. You can see diet. So if I keep scrolling down, people are commenting diet because they want to get this ebook for free. You can see right here. So this guy is definitely making a lot of money. So all you need to do is to make sure to replicate this strategy in as many niches as you want. And if you don't have an idea of the niches to use, all you need to do is to come over to free PLR downloads. And if you come over here, you'll see where it says niches. So you can see there are so many niches right here. All you need to do is to take action right after watching this video. You are going to make money as well. So with that said, if you find any value in this video, please drop a like on the video. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace and love.